want to give you an overview on a stock you probably should have been watching and how discipline and patience always pays off. And also another example of the faux show bro, your fake out, shake out, and your breakout. So this is Cliff, CLF. This is on earnings day, 7/22/2021. First thing you're noticing, and again, what you want to do is draw some lines at some levels of concern. Level of concern is an area that it held in the pre-market and the low of the day. As you see the market, it rolled over through the VWAP, and you had this one moment where it broke down, but then it tried to rally. Before the market really took this stock over to the long side, it broke a new low. We call this the fake out, shake out, then the breakout. So the stock tries to get everybody who wants out of this name, gets it off its back. It's like a bucking bronco. But for the VWAP trader, we can't be fooled by that, because once it gets back over the VWAP, we're thinking, hey, that strength is back. Now again, if you bought it here and you got paid on the first move, fantastic. But look what it did the second time. You already have the faux show bro in place. Here's another one on the same stock later on. This time it's a little bit more subtle, but it breaks the VWAP, rolls over, tries to rally, then breaks another new low. That's your fake out, shake out moment. And then you're back above the VWAP. Now the sellers have taken over the buyers have taken over this stock. You have a new entry at 20 bucks. Your target is 2051 at least, with a possibility of a full-blown reversal like it's happening right now. So here you're buying it at 20 with a 14-cent risk to make at least 50, possibly $1 or more. And we're in this trade right now, absolutely kicking butt with options at 35 cents that are now trading at 75 cents for a 100% return on our money. This is why I don't own stocks. You can make hundreds of percent a day trading around the VWAP on earnings reports.